Okay, so hi, I'm back after a long weekend. Not pretty long, but Friday and Saturday. Thursday actually, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I hope all of you had a really nice weekend. So please call me and tell me all whatever you did during your weekend. If you would like to share with me and share with me everything. When you're sharing, you should say everything. So you could call me up and tell me what you did on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And yeah, we will have a friendly talk. So anyways, we are going to jump into our topic. But before that, we have a caller. So hello. Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name? Sharanya.
Yeah.
Hi Sharanya.
Hi, thank you for making me the caller of the day.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so Sharanya.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Will you sing a song?
Okay.
Okay.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Oh, very nice. You sang very well. You sang very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so Sharanya.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're so cute. And you know, whenever I'm going to tell you something and you like, yeah, I forget everything. Okay, so Sharanya, so what do you, in like tomorrow's episode or day after tomorrow, what do you think I should speak about? Any topic?
About friendship?
Friendship.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Colors?
Colors.
Yeah.
Okay, I've already talked about colors before, so anything else?
About me?
About you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll talk about you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Sharanya,
Yeah.
would you like to play a small game with me?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, what you say? Should I? Okay, fine. I'll ask you something. I have something on my hand, right?
Yeah.
What are these?
Let me see. It's a bangle.
Bangles. Okay, so do you have bangles at home?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me which color is this?
Black and white.
Black and white. Okay, so what is this pattern over here called? Do you know? If you know, only say, okay? It's fine.
Bangle.
No. What is this pattern? It starts with a S.
What?
This pattern, like, you know, a strip of black, a strip of white, a strip of black. What is this?
Strip of black and white.
Yeah, strips. Okay, fine. So anyways,
Zebra's color.
very good. Okay, yeah, it is zebra's color. Sharanya.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So Sharanya, call me on Monday, tomorrow.
Okay, I want to play something else.
What?
I want to play something else.
Okay, you want to play one more game?
Yeah.
So can I play with you tomorrow?
Okay, can you sing a song for me?
Okay, I'll sing for you tomorrow.
No, I want to hear now.
Now my throat is not well. I'm already sick.
Johnny is Papa.
Okay, you sing with me very quickly.
Okay. Johnny. Yes, Papa.
Eating
Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa.
Open
your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, so anyway, Sharanya, calling. Call me tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll play a better game for you. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so anyways, Sharanya had called us and she was the cutest person I've ever talked to. She's so cute. Her voice is so cute. So anyways, before that we have another caller. So hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Hi, Anamika.
Is this Sachin?
Yeah.
Okay, hi Sachin.
Hi.
So Sachin, are you sick?
No.
Your voice, it
No,
sounds
I'm tired from school.
tired from school. Okay, so what all did you do today in school?
I studied in English. We were doing nouns. We did worksheets. It was fun. Then in maths, we were doing some factors and multiples. Then science, nothing. We were discussing our animal life, new chapter, like that. In break, we were playing. Then after break, it was Hindi period. We were discussing our EP book. Then after that, I went to library, like that. Then art. It was fun.
Okay, so Sachin.
Can I give you a topic?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Topic is topic is topic is about dress.
About
Dresses.
dresses.
Yeah, means what would boys wear, like the pants and a shirt, like girls wear skirt and like the kurti, like sari.
Okay, so we'll see, and maybe tomorrow or day after I might talk about it. Let's see, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, Sachin, thank you for the topic. So should I ask you a GK riddle?
Yeah, GK.
GK, obviously, Sachin will always go for a GK, right?
Yeah.
Okay, which is the largest fish in the world?
What?
Which is the largest fish in the world?
Blue whale.
No, fish. Blue whale is the second. Okay, I'm not saying anything.
It is killer whale.
Huh?
Killer whale.
No.
The question is, which is the biggest animal in the world?
No. Which is the largest fish in the world?
Largest fish in the world. But actually it should be killer whale.
Huh?
It's killer whale.
It's not killer whale.
Great white shark.
No. What?
Great white shark.
No.
It's fish. Then I don't know, because everyone said blue killer whales are the largest.
Yeah, it is a whale. It is a whale.
It's blue whale.
No. Should I give you the answer?
Yeah.
It is called whale shark. Go check it up on Google. It's
Can I ask you one question?
yeah, sure.
Who is king of the class?
Who is
King of the class.
king of the class?
Yeah.
CLASS class.
Yeah.
Teacher? No. Teacher,
What?
is it king of the class or plants?
King of the class.
Class.
Yeah.
Teacher?
Wrong.
Okay. Clue?
That's no. It's a non-living thing.
It's a non-living thing. Whiteboard?
Wrong.
Pen? Like marker?
Wrong.
Wait. Book, table?
Wrong.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, you can say.
It's ruler. The king of the class is ruler. The king rules. So ruler.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so anyways, Sachin, thank you for calling,
Okay.
and call me tomorrow also, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Sachin had called us, and again I forgot to ask him to sing. So anyways, it's okay, I'll ask the next caller. Anyways, we have another caller. Why do I keep saying anyways? Okay, so we have another caller. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Hello.
Hello? What's your name? Hello? Hello? Okay, I think the call has been dropped. But anyways, before I go into my topic, we have a question for today, which we did it last 2-3 days also. So we have a question for today as well. So the question for today is, which is the largest mammal in the world? So if you know the answer, SMS to 3939 with your name, and if in the end of Kiddo Kids, we will be picking the winner. So if you win, you will win a couple ticket to go watch the Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus. So before I talk more about this, let's go for a caller. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Christina.
Christina. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so Christina, you haven't called in such a long time.
Yeah.
Why?
I had continuous tests.
You had continuous tests.
Yeah, my FA2 was going on.
Your
Yeah. FA2.
FA2.
Yeah.
Okay, so your FA2 is over now?
Yeah, but the FA1 is going to start in 14 days.
Wait, your FA2 comes first, then your FA1 comes.
Yeah.
What?
Not SA2, FA2.
S.
Oh my god.
Wait.
FA2.
Okay, you
Hello?
mean, okay, I understood that your FA2 finished and your SA1 is coming up.
Yeah.
Oh, so your SA1 is starting before you go to India. I mean, like, you have your summer
Yeah.
vacation.
Yeah.
That's so rude. For us, actually, we're pretty lucky. June 8th, my FA2 starts. June 15th.
It's not at all ruled.
Then?
Because when we are having vacation, we need not worry about the exams.
I feel it's better without the SA2s before, because then during the long vacation there's a lot of time for you to study. Otherwise at this point of time, quickly you like stuffing everything into your brain, so that maybe.
No, it is a very easy portions.
Okay, then fine, but for bigger grades it might be very tough, right?
Not only bigger grades, yeah, it will be tough.
Yeah, it'll be tough. Okay, so anyways, Christina,
Yeah.
will you sing a song? I haven't heard your voice in so long. So will you sing a song?
Maybe tomorrow or some other day.
Please.
Okay. Start.
Yeah, start.
The snow glows white on mountain night, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of absolution, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. But now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, Let it go. Turn away us from the door. Enough?
Okay, Christina, you sang very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so Christina,
Yeah.
so I had given a question a while before your call. So
Yeah.
if you know the answer, don't say it out. But if you know the answer, SMS to 3939. And in the end of Kiddo Kids, we will be announcing the winner. So if you win, you will be winning a couple ticket to watch the Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus.
Oh. So, I forgot which question it is.
Oh, okay. I'll tell you the question now, but don't tell me
Okay.
the answer. Okay, don't tell the answer.
Okay.
The answer is which. I'm sorry. The question is which is the largest mammal in the world.
Okay.
Okay, so if you know the answer, quickly SMS to 3939 with your name.
Yeah.
Okay, and stay tuned till the end of Kiddo Kids to see who's the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, Christina, so it's been a long time since you called. So you want to play dictionary game with me?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll play. Okay, so I'll give you your first word.
Okay.
Okay, a competitive activity involving physical effort and skill.
The first letter?
S.
S.
It's
Last letter?
T.
How many letters are there?
That's all the clues. I can only give you 2 clues, and I gave you 2 clues now. Now both your clues are over.
Okay. Can you say the meaning?
Meaning, okay.
Yeah.
A competitive activity involving physical effort and skill. And there's time, so there's only 10 seconds. Quickly.
Oh my goodness.
Quick.
Mummy?
5, 4, 3.
Pass.
Pass.
Yeah.
Okay, the answer is sport.
Sport.
Yeah, sport. Okay, so anyways, it's okay. Next time when you call, I'm very sure you'll answer whatever game or whatever I'm playing with you, okay?
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Okay, so Christina, call me tomorrow and we'll have more fun tomorrow. So now you have to call me every day.
I can't call you every day.
Why?
Only Sunday.
Okay, fine. Only Sunday. So I'll talk to you next Sunday.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Christina had called us and she didn't call for a long time and she gave us a very valid reason. But anyways, she sang a really nice song for us and also played dictionary game, but she couldn't answer the first one, but I'm very sure she will answer it next time she calls. So anyways, actually I was just thinking and we have not come to our topic till now. So let me just introduce our topic. So today I'm going to be talking about competitions, and it's kind of funny because tomorrow I'm having a competition and the name of the competition is Ecophilia, and it's basically on environment. So every year there'll be the same competition and they'll give you different themes, and it's a dance competition. They'll give you themes and you'll have to dance on it. So last year it was saving environment, and this year it's conserving water. So before we talk about that, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Anamika.
Anamika. Hi, Anamika.
Hi.
Okay, so Anamika.
Yeah.
Okay, so you heard the topic for today. Competitions.
Competitions.
Yeah, so do you have any competitions coming up?
Yes. Tomorrow. Yeah.
What competition?
It's like a contest. It's Shastra Pratibha.
Oh, Shastra Pratibha. Okay, even I know about it. Okay, so are you all prepared for it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you learnt all. They give you a set amount of questions, right?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah. So did you learn all of that?
It's like paragraphs, 78 pages. It's about.
Wow.
And, yeah, I studied.
Studied. So
Little more is there.
don't worry, we'll all pray for you. Hope you get first.
Thank you.
Even my friends are going, so I'll have to pray for a lot of people.
Oh,
Oh.
in your school also there, right?
Yeah, we. I think all of the schools have, but
Yeah.
my school has. So, anyways, Anamika.
Yeah.
So, other than Shastra Pratibha, do you have any dance competition, singing competition, art competition, anything like that coming up?
We have aerobics.
Aerobics. Oh, you have competition for aerobics.
Not competitions, like everyone do it.
Oh,
What
okay.
you can yeah, just a dance.
Okay, so can you tell me some advantages of competitions?
Okay, competitions, it will increase your co-curricular activities,
Okay.
then increase your skills and all.
Okay. What else?
Yeah,
That's it?
that's all.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Anamika, will you sing a small song?
No, actually, like, yesterday I had cold and flu.
Oh, okay, so you're sick.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. High five. Even me, same. I've not gone to the doctor and got medicine or anything, but I'm feeling that flu coming back because I'm having not dizzy, but I'm feeling when you get when you get sick, you have that feeling that is coming. So I don't.
Yeah.
And tomorrow I have a competition, so I'm trying to stay away from all cold stuff and all that. And then
What's your competition?
yeah, tomorrow I have a competition. It's ecophilia. It's a dance competition.
Okay.
So you pray for me, I pray for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, Anamika, when you get better, sing for me, okay?
Sure.
So would you like to play a game? Or should I spare you
Okay.
for today?
Huh?
Should I spare you for today or you want to play a game?
Play again.
Okay, fine. So we'll play connection game.
What?
Connection. It's like I'll say a word with the last letter, you'll have to say another word.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fine. So I'll give you a word. The word is start.
Start.
Yeah, start. So with the last letter, you will have to say it, and we're going quickly. So start quickly. Very.
Top.
Huh?
Top.
Tat.
Top.
Huh?
T-O-P.
Okay, top. So I have to say
Yeah.
parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah, parrot.
Tin.
Tin.
Yeah.
Net.
Net.
Quickly.
Tap.
Tap. Okay. Pigeon.
What?
Pigeon.
I didn't get you.
Pigeon. Pigeon. You know the bird. Pigeon.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyways.
Nice.
That's
Okay.
the end of the round. So we'll play.
Okay.
Actually, we were supposed to play 5 because I enjoyed the game. We played more. Okay. So, anyways, Anamika, next time you call and we play connection game. I think I tell this to everybody, but then you'll have to be much more faster. It should be like if I say start, you'll have to be quickly. You'll have to be like tin, and then it should go like that.
Okay.
Okay. So next time when you call, be sure you're fast.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, call me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, and I will talk to you more and hope you get better very soon.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Anamika had called us and she was sick, so she couldn't sing. So I hope she gets well or she gets better very soon. Anyways, she also played a game with us and it went smoothly. So anyway, she also told us about our competition or about our topic for today. So we're going to be saying a few benefits, advantages and a few disadvantages because every single topic that we talk about has to have some disadvantages and advantages. So let's go with the good stuff first. So first thing is you can learn about your own abilities and limitations. So basically, if you go for a competition, I'm taking dance example because I just love dance. But yeah, I'm just taking the example of dance. So if you're going for a dance competition, let's say modern dance. Okay, if you're going for a modern dance competition, if when you dance, you understand your ability, where you are where you stand compared to other people. If you get first, you shouldn't be like, oh my god, I'm the best in the world. No, you are good, but there might be other people who didn't take part in the competition who might be better than you. So, but still, if you come third or something, you'll understand that I need to practice more, I need to work hard more. If you don't get something also, you will need to work more hard. You'll understand that. So that is one advantage, that because you'll understand where you're trying to stand. If you're just going on doing programs, you're not gonna understand that, like, you know, what you need to improve or anything. But before that, we have a caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Aparna.
Aparna.
Yeah.
Okay. So Aparna,
Yeah.
will you sing a song?
Okay.
Okay.
Lali, 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 lilo. Lali, 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 lilo. Malaroliye, mandara malare, manjadi mani, chanjadu marake, pudu malare, mandara malare, innu malkaniye, in kunju malare, lali, 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 lilo. Yeah.
Okay, you sang very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyways, Aparna,
Yeah.
would you like to play a game with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will I will show you something.
Can you play dictionary game?
Dictionary game. So you want to... Hello?
Hello?
Do you is your TV on?
No, I'm off it. I'll off it.
No, don't off it. Just reduce the volume of the TV. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So Aparna,
Yeah.
fine. So did you hear the SMS question what do you say that I heard, that I said before?
I heard.
Hello?
Yeah, I heard the question.
Oh.
Which is the biggest mammal?
Yeah. Don't say the answer.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Did you SMS the answer?
No.
Why? SMS it quickly. You might win a couple ticket to Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus. Don't miss the chance.
Okay.
Okay, so quickly send the answer with your name to 3939.
Okay.
Okay. So anyways, Aparna, I will play dictionary game with you like you said or asked. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you your first meaning.
What?
I'll give you your first meaning.
Okay.
Okay, wait. I'll have to take my dictionary. Okay, fine. Your first meaning is the right to act or speak frequently. Sorry, freely.
Right.
The right to act or speak freely. Quickly, you have very less time left.
Clue.
Clue. It starts with an F. You have only one more clue left.
Speech.
Huh?
Speech.
Peach.
Speech. S-P-E-E-C-H.
It starts with an F.
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 Okay. F. I don't know.
Okay, your time's up. The answer is freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, it's okay, Aparna. Next time you call me, I'll play a dictionary game with you again, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
My sister wants to talk to you. I'll give to her.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Artana.
Artana, hi Artana.
Hi.
Okay, so Artana,
Yeah.
are you sick or something?
No.
No? Because usually when you call me, you're like jumping up and down. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Artana, will you sing?
I'm not prepared, please.
You're not?
Prepared.
Okay, it's okay. But tomorrow you'll have to be prepared, okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So anyways, both of you will have to call me tomorrow.
Can you play with me a game?
Okay, I will play with you a game. So I'll show
Can
you
you play spelling game?
spelling game.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll play spelling game with you tomorrow
Why?
because we don't have much time. So that's it.
Okay, can you play any small game with me?
Fine, I'll play a small game with you, and tomorrow I'll play with spelling game with you, Pakka. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll show you something
Yeah, okay.
and I'll ask you questions on it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the thing.
Okay, let me see in the TV, okay?
Yeah.
I can't see in the TV. Wait, come first. Is it a spoon?
Yes, it's a spoon. So which color is this?
It's blue.
Blue. Okay, fine. So what all do you use this for?
We use it for eating.
Okay.
Some craft work also we use.
For what?
For craft work sometimes.
Okay. What else do you use it for other than eating?
For that's it. I think so. Spoon. We use it. No,
You-
I don't know.
You use it for mixing something?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so anyways, this was a very small game. So tomorrow I'll play a big game. I'll play lots of games with you, okay?
Okay.
So anyways, you and Aparna call me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, so anyways, Aparna and Artana sisters had called me. Two sisters had called me. It reminds me of my sister. It's fine. Control. Okay. So anyways, again, I'm just going to repeat the question because many of you might have not heard it. So the question is, which is the largest mammal in the world? If you know the answer, SMS to 3939 with your name. And also, we will be announcing the winner in the end of Kiddo Kids, so stay tuned till the end. And also the winner will be winning a couple ticket to go to the Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus. So anyways, before that we have a small rhyme, so stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.